20 years ago, my mother offered me her home just in case anything should happen to her. And I said no. And she willed the home to my cousin. And recently, after going through life and living a nomadic lifestyle for the last 7 years, I have been thinking so much about bringing this home back to its former glory. And coincidentally, my cousin has contacted me and offered me the house, and I said yes. So this home is quite a find, and it is sturdy. It's built of brick, but it has gone through numerous snowstorms, windstorms, leakage from the roof. It needs a new roof, pipes bursting in the snow, and I would like to bring it back. I know. I don't even know I know, but it's true. I do. But I need your help. So I'd like to offer you 12 months of a payment plan to buy an oversized print of Marilyn Monroe and Diana Ross. Two wonderful opportunities that are available for you. You can either join me monthly on my Patreon page. That way I can update videos, update you with how your money was spent, what creative choices I had to make, what and how to renovate this home that I don't know how to do, and the help that I have coming in. You get to see that. You get to even add comments or anything like that. And you also receive gifts. I send you gifts about every 6 months. If you've been with me for a year, at the end of the year, you get those. You get your choice of an oversized canvas stretched print of Diana Ross. It's a reproduction, and it will look like this. Or you have the choice of having Marilyn Monroe, and it will look like this. Large, oversized prints, one of Diana Ross and one of Marilyn Monroe. So join me. I'd love it. Thank you. Bye-bye. Start now is all you have to do is go to the link. As you can see, it's right next to my face in the video. And once you go to the video, the link, it's going to ask you a variety of questions for you to join. And then you're going to find out, oh, I need to join the one that's $47. So make sure you scroll downwards to that to join that one. And this will be on auto pay. So it's going to ask you for your credit card credentials, because I want to be in renovating. I don't want to be in this part. So if you don't mind doing this, and if you'd rather do it another way, just contact me and we can talk about it. Thank you so much. Take care, and thank you.